If you are, working on your reception introductions, you may find something like that is a good clip. Let's say that's a good clip. You can either mark it. You could also kind of place it up here. This would be after you've duplicated it in a separate sequence for your feature. Something like this. What you'd end up doing is you'd put all of your introduction, your reception footage, your ceremony in here, then you'd start cutting it. And what you'd be looking for are, maybe specific clips like that. And so as I'm going through, I'm constantly looking for the good video clips. And this is not the most amazing clip. I mean, it might be something I use, but let me just say I'm really looking, and I'm just find some spectacular clip I like. Let's say this is some sort of shot I'm going to use for the beginning here. Let's say that I really like that or something. That's a bit shaky. Let's look for. I think you could probably fix that up with stabilization. So, I would actually just move that up a little bit just so I'd know about it, and I'd be able to separate the good stuff from stuff that isn't as good. I'm here. If I decide to take that, same deal. That really didn't. Hopefully there's a better shot than that. Let's just say that's what I got. I'll just bring that up there, and that's how I kind of sort the good video.